Hey guys, hope you're well. So welcome to my first vid of using Microsoft Excel, and I'm going to be looking at geographical data and then just visualize it. So plot graphs as well with the data that I get from Microsoft servers. Okay, cool. So on a side note, I would really appreciate it if you guys actually subscribe to my channel. If you love the videos, hit the subscribe button, and that would be greatly appreciated. So share the videos with your friends and stuff, and I'll keep adding more. Okay, cool. So let's get started. So I'm going to type in today's date. Okay, so that's the date today, and I'll put yellow, right? And then I'm gonna do about 20 countries. So I'll select 20 spaces, then insert table. So I'll change my column one to so names of countries. Okay, cool. Then I'm just gonna add random countries. So France, Zimbabwe. Just make sure the spellings are correct. Zimbabwe, China, India, South Africa, USA, Canada, New Zealand, Myanmar. It used to be called Burma back in the day. So Ukraine, Russia, Chad, Brazil, Costa Rica, Bolivia, Botswana, Australia, Fiji, another random one. Japan, Germany, and finally, I'm just going to go for another random one. I'll just go for Italy. Right, cool. So I've got my countries there. So I'll just then I'll select the whole lot and then just go into my data option. Then click on geography. Then it converts that into geography format. Okay. So once you've done that, there's a little pop-up thing that comes up, little box there. So that gives you options of options that are available. So what you can add. So this time I want to add, like, let's say GDP. Then it gives you the GDP straight away. And then if I need to add, like, let's say largest city, there you go. So largest city doesn't necessarily mean capital city. So for example, in South Africa, I think Pretoria is the capital, and then Joburg is just like obviously the largest city. Yeah, and then I can also add like images, like so country flags. So I'll click on image, then it gives you the flags of those countries. Then if I need to add like populations of those countries as well. So you see, it's quite useful. It gives you all that information. Then I can also add like international calling codes. So if somebody wants to call somebody in New Zealand from France, so click on the calling code. So it gives you the calling code for those countries. Okay, and then I can add area for those countries as well. So the area there. Okay, cool. So all the information is downloaded from Microsoft servers. So it's quite useful anyway. I find this very useful. Okay, so now I want to like visualize, like, let's say GDPs to see which countries have got the biggest GDPs. I mean, looking at a glance, you can clearly see, sort of like a glance, the United States has about 22 trillion, you know, but then it's always better to actually have a graph so you can see things, you know. So I'm gonna add my graph. So insert my column graph. So I'll do a 2D graph. I'll just change the title to GDP. Okay, and then select my data. Okay, that's cool. So there we are. So that's the graph there. So I'll just make it a bit bigger. So looking at it, the United States has got the highest GDP, and then the countries with the smallest GDPs like Fiji. They're talking about 5 billion. You know, so that's quite small as compared to what America has. So yeah, graphs are really good. So you can actually visualize things, and you can kind of like report on what you see on the graph, that sort of thing. Okay, so I'll do another graph as well, and this time I'll do the population graph. So we'll just do the same thing with the insert, then column graph. So that's my population. So that's my population graph. So you can see that, yeah, China and India, we've got the highest populations according to the data on the given data. Okay, right. And then I can also add, let's say if I add another country, right? So if I say, for instance, Poland, then it automatically updates everything for me as well. So Poland is now there. And then population in Poland as well. The population in Poland has also been updated, that sort of thing. So as you continue adding more countries and stuff with the graphs, we just automatically update themselves. Okay, yeah, cool. So I hope this is useful. Hopefully this is useful for someone else. Somebody who's interested in like general knowledge on countries and stuff, that sort of thing. Okay, cool. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks. Have a good day. Bye bye.